These three.
These three?
Yeah, they all have the same film in there, but you just need
which one? Okay, let's just get. Okay, let's do the life with the glasses, guys. Yeah. So we're at a vending machine of film cameras, and we're gonna get one. And tomorrow we have all day in this city called Gunsan. We're gonna be taking film photos as we explore. Oh yeah.
There we
Yay!
go. Is it stuck?
Uh-oh.
Oh no, there we go.
Let's get it. There it is. Gunsan is Yali's parents' hometown, and so we're here for a day to just hang out with Yali's relatives.
My grandparents.
But yes, it's also port city.
It's on the west coast. West coast of Korea.
So we just came from Busan, which was a 4-hour bus drive. So we're like on the other side of the country now.
I got really bad cankles, swollen ankles. I'm still walking on them. But we're good. We're all good.
We spent the morning outside of town in the countryside, and there are so many rice fields out here. Life here felt so peaceful and slow-paced.
Wait, what are you trying to do?
Is it shell? Is it squishy?
Squishy?
Oh wow!
It's moving.
Leech? It's pretty though. Yeah.
Oh, a pretty leech. Okay, I haven't taken a single photo yet. And I think my first one will be this wall. Yeah, I'll take a photo of you in front of the wall.
Oh, nice.
Keep the coffee. Let's go take that photo. Okay, where are we going, Yali?
So we're at this railroad market kind of place. So they basically renovated an old railroad. It's kind of cut off, and they made little shops around it, and it's kind of like a memory lane. In the 1970s, I think this is how it looked like. So they had like snacks from like that time. So this is like called truck lane. Truck lane? Truck curry.
Truck curry?
That means memory lane. My parents' generation.
Oh my gosh.
For your hot summer. Around here, where they take pictures.
Short sleeve. We're actually gonna rent the clothes.
Oh yeah.
You have to wear the headband.
The headband? Yeah. I can't believe it. Wait, like, she'll do the ribbon.
Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. We're like real tourists. Wow, I never thought I'd be the person to do this kind of stuff. I always cringed at people like me.
I'm still cringing at you. And
you're doing this with me, okay?
it's for you. Even the hanbok, I did it for you. The headband is a bit too much of you.
The headband? I never thought I'd actually convince you to do this, but you've been doing things with me. It's kind of fun. Okay, I think I want my second film photo here.
Where?
Okay,
Nice.
got it.
Bye.
Yeah.
I don't know if we like took the right, or rather he was like, because for film cameras you can't really see the product, right?
Yeah.
You can't see what you took, so he was like, I hope that it came out well. This is cool. And the Indian guy.
Totally looks like that main character girl.
This looked exactly like that guy. And
And of course, this guy. Have you guys watched the Squid Game?
Yes.
I did. So did I. There it is.
Do you want to do the pick thing?
I thought that's the whole reason reason why we're doing this.
No, it's
We're gonna do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Do it. I got it off. Well.
I mean,
Yeah. Game over. Let's do another photo.
oh, we're gonna ask another person.
No, I'll have you sit here today.
With me?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Kind of like cross your legs. Yeah, that's cute.
Okay, enough of this. Let's go change.
He's hot.
We're making kimchi.
A professional. She's just preparing right now. 준비 중이래.
The special recipe.
Yeah, my grandma's special kimchi recipe. You're getting it on video.
I'm not gonna tell them the details.
This is fish sauce. So in Gunsan, unlike like Seoul, usually they don't use fish sauce. They just make kimchi with like chili powder and stuff. But here, I think because it's next to the ocean, so they put
That's their special ingredient.
So this is also, what is this? Shrimp chut? Shrimp pickle. I don't know. It's very salty.
또 이거 해 먹더라고.
아 그래요?
해서 이놈 섞어.
섞어요?
섞어.
The spicy stuff, huh?
네 있어요. 양념으로 할 거.
Oh, that looks like it's gonna be real
쳤어.
spicy. Every kimchi.
얼른 한번 올려.
아 이거는 소금에.
For tonight,
이거
we'll
썩이
get
좀
some
저녁에
and
먹을 거. 이런 놈 허드제비로
some you can take it.
했어.
자기야, 저 정도 짭지?
Usually the head tastes the best because there's.
Your grandma just told me to eat this one.
This is fish stick, radish, pickle, this sausage, kind of ham, and cucumber and egg. Actually, we put carrots,
Spinach.
spinach, kimbap.
4, 5, 6.
We have like 1 more hour left in Gunsan, and after our dinner, we're like, we need to take a walk.
It's a Japanese garden, so you can't really see it because it's at night. But there's koi fish in the pond. And there are rocks that you can skip.
So we're gonna take a film photo with the flash, and let's see how it turns out.
Film crew came to this village. I could actually see them shooting the film.
What year was that?
1990, I think 7. We were all watching this, actor, actresses. This is where the romance started. This couple.
This looks like a car we would use in Kona.
One of the
Like a
oldest
old
cars.
So colorful. What is this place?
So it's a karaoke place.
Of course.
Usually people, I think, like they come in groups after they like finish work, so they can like de-stress.
De-stress. It was very surprising for me that karaoke is like a big thing. Like, it's like I've never even like heard of that being a thing anywhere.
It's because Korean people are really stressed and they have nowhere else to relieve their stress.